English Adventures. Dive into the world of kayaking. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to add an exciting splash to your vocabulary as we talk about an amazing outdoor activity, kayaking. We'll learn all the basic words related to this adventurous sport and practice how to use them in sentences. So, get your life jackets ready and let's start paddling. Kayaking is an outdoor water sport where you move across water using a double-bladed paddle. The person sits in a small boat called a kayak. Sentence examples. 1. I spent the weekend kayaking down the river. 2. The kayak is light enough to carry on your shoulder. When we talk about kayaking, we need to know the gear that makes this activity possible. There's the kayak, the paddle, the helmet for safety, and a life jacket or buoyancy aid to keep you afloat. Sentence examples. 1. Make sure your helmet is properly adjusted before you start kayaking. 2. Always wear a life jacket when you're in a kayak. Did you know there are different types of kayaking? These include sea kayaking, whitewater kayaking, and recreational kayaking. Each has its own unique thrill and level of difficulty. Sentence examples. 1. Sea kayaking can be a fantastic way to explore the coastline. 2. Whitewater kayaking is a popular activity on fast-flowing rivers. When kayaking, there are a few basic moves you need to know. Paddling moves you forward, while bracing keeps you steady in the water. If your kayak tips over, you will need to do an Eskimo roll to get back upright. Sentence examples. 1. It takes time to learn the right paddling technique. 2. An Eskimo roll can save you from capsizing in whitewater kayaking. And that wraps up our introduction to the exciting world of kayaking. Now, not only can you talk about this fantastic sport in English, but you also know some specific terms related to it. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these new words in your daily conversations. Thank you for joining us on this English adventure.